Hi children, happy morning all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all good and safe. Very good. I am also good, Nana. Thank you. Keep washing your hands regularly and be hygienic. Okay? Very good. All of you look at the board once, Nana. Any guesses? What is this, Nana? What is this? Yes, this is a plant. What is this? This is a plant. Very good. So, guess what? Any guess? Today what we are going today, Ranna? What we are going today? Yes, you are correct. Today we are going to learn about plants. Okay? All of you be ready with your term 2 textbook and open page number 127, Nana. This page, ma. This page. Today we are going to learn lesson number 6, the world of plants. What is the lesson name, Nana? The world of plants. Okay? Very good. Now I am going to ask one question, ma. Okay? What does plant give us? What does plant give us? Think once, Nana. Yes, you are right. Plants give us flowers, vegetables, fruits, as well as seeds, nuts. Okay? Yes, very good. As well as some flowers give us sweet smelling flowers. Okay, Rana? Okay. Every day we see many plants, means different types of plants around us. Am I right? Yes, right. Okay. And one more thing, Nana, plants make surroundings beautiful. Plants make surroundings beautiful, as well as plants make the air fresh and clean also. Plants make the air fresh and clean also. For example, Nana, if you go to any garden or park, then you will see there different types of plants with different types of flowers and with different types of colors also. Okay? Then what do you feel, Nana? Then what do you feel? Wow! What beautiful place is this? Am I right? Yes. It means plants make our surroundings beautiful. Correct or not? Yes. Okay? Okay. Now, let's try to learn the types of plants. Okay, Nana? Very good. Do you know one thing, Nana? Some plants are big, tall and strong also. Yes or no? Yes. But some plants are small. For example, have you seen ever rose plant, hibiscus plant, jasmine plant? How are they, Nana? Are they big and tall and strong? No. Okay, they are small. But some plants are big, tall and strong. For example, neem tree, Nana. Neem tree and mango tree. Next, banyan tree. Okay, how are they, Nana? They are tall, big and strong also. Okay. See, Nana. It means plants are of different shapes and sizes. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Okay. See, Nana, here. See here, Nana. Some plants are tall, big and strong. Okay. If you observe, stem of this plant. If you observe stem of this plant, how is this? Is this weak or strong? Yes, this is strong. So this type of plants are called trees. Okay, trees which are tall, big and strong also. Okay, examples: neem tree, mango tree, banyan tree, like that. Okay, Nana? Okay. And next is some plants has weak stem, Nana. Some plants have very weak stems. Very weak stem. If you observe money plant, beans plant and peas, okay, they have very weak stem. Okay, if you observe money plant, see Rana here. If you observe money plant, this plant can't stand on its own also. Means it needs support to stand straight. See here. If you give any support, then it can stand its own. Otherwise, it can't stand its own. Okay, Nana? This type of plants are called climbers. What are they? Climbers. Okay, Nana? See. Climbers. For example, money plant. Have you seen above money plant? Okay, money plant. Okay, Nana? Okay. See here, ma. Page number 128. Here we can see trees. Coconut tree. It is also tall, long and strong. So this type of plant is called coconut trees. Coconut tree. Okay? Neem tree. Mango tree. How are they? They are tall, big and strong also. Okay? But here if you see grapevine, sweet pea. These are called climbers. Climbers. Because they can't stand on its own, on their own, Nana. Okay? They need support to stand straight. Okay? They need support to stand straight. These are called climbers. Grapevine, sweet pea and money plant. Okay? Very good. Some plants are small. Some plants are small. They can't grow high. Okay? Example, rose plant, hibiscus plant and jasmine plant, tulsi plant. Okay? And some more plants have thorns. Thorns means, Nana, see here. For example, this is rose plant, Nana. Okay? Here, if you observe these are called thorns. What are these, Nana? Thorns. If you touch these thorns, then you will get hurt. That's why don't touch thorns. Okay? Some plants have thorns. Example, rose plant and cactus also. They have thorns. See here, Nana. This is a cactus. Cactus plant. It has thorns and rose plant. Okay? You can see rose plant thorns also. Okay, Rana? Very good. These are the types of plants. Okay, ma? Now, let's try to learn how many types are there in, how many types are there in leaves. Okay? Leaves are also of different kinds, Nana. Different types. Okay? If you observe, some leaves are very big. Some leaves are small. Have you seen above banana leaf? Banana leaf. How is banana leaf, Nana? It's a big leaf. See. How is this big see Nana? This is a banana leaf. Okay Nana? Banana leaf. Is this big or small? Yes, it is a big leaf. Okay, but some leaves are very small. For example, tulsi plant and touch me not plant. Nana, have you seen ever touch me not plant? Plant name is touch me not. Okay, if you observe touch me not plant, it has very small, very small leaves. Nana, see here. See here, Nana. This is touch me not plant, ma. How are these leaves, Nana? How are these leaves? Are these big? No. Touch me not plants have very small leaves. Okay? As well as banyan tree and hibiscus. How are they? Yes, they have big leaves. Okay, Nana? Very good. It means some plants have big leaves and some plants have small leaves. Means leaves are also of different types. Okay, Nana? Very good. See here, page number 129, Nana. If you observe here, what is this leaf, Nana? Yes, banana leaf. This is banana leaf. This one, lotus. How big is this, Nana? See, neem. Okay? Very good. And already we have learned, Nana, some plants have thorns. Rose plant, cactus plant. Okay? See here, Nana. If you touch these thorns, then you will get hurt. That's why don't touch these thorns. Okay, Nana? Very good. And some plants grow in water also. Some plants grow in water also. As well as some plants grow in soil. Examples of water plants, Nana? Water lily, lotus. They are examples of water plants because they grow in water only. Okay, Nana? See here. Lotus. It grows in water only. Okay, Nana? And water lilies also. Water lily plant also grows in only water. Okay? As well as some plants bear flowers also. Means they give us flowers. Different types of flowers and different colors also. They have different colors also. Okay? Sorry, Nana. Okay? As well as some flowers changed into fruits after a few days. For example, Nana, see here. Pea tree, otherwise not pea tree, Nana. Rich gourd and snake gourd. They are climbers, na? They can't stand on their own. They need support, ma. See, Nana. This is the bottle gourd. Okay? This is the bottle gourd plant. Okay, Nana? Means, first of all, this type of plants give us flowers. After a few days, this flower changed into a fruit. See here, Nana. First of all, this is a flower. Okay? But after some days, this flower changed into a bud. After some days, this bud will change to bud. Nana, after some days, this bud changed to like this fruit. Examples of these plants, examples of this type of plants are called Nana, rich gourd, snake gourd, bottle gourd. Okay, that plants give us first flowers. After some days, that flowers change into yes birds. After some days, that bird will be changed into fruit. Okay, Nana? See here. First of all, flower. After some days, it will be changed into bud, Nana. Okay, small bud. After some days, it will change into complete fruit. Like that. Okay, Nana? Very good. See here. Page number 129, Nana. Okay. If you observe here, flower, first it will be changed into small bud. After some days, it will be changed into complete fruit. Okay, Nana? Very good. Means flowers will be changed into fruits. Okay. Do you know one more thing, Nana? Most of the fruits have seeds inside them. Most of the fruits have seeds inside them. For example, mango tree. Mango tree, Nana. Yes, mango tree has a seed inside it. How many seeds are there in mango fruit, Nana? So many? 6? No. Yes, you are correct. Mango fruit has only 1 seed. Very good. Orange fruit, Nana. It has also few. It has also few seeds inside it. Okay. Next, papaya. Yes, papaya has many seeds inside it. Okay. Means most of the fruits have seeds inside it. Inside them, Nana. Okay. See here. Mango fruit. What is this? Mango fruit. Mango fruit has 1 seed inside it. Next, pea. This one also has few seeds. Next, apple. Every day we are eating apple, na? Yes, apple. It has also few seeds inside it. Next, tomato. Is it fruit? Tomato. No, it is vegetable. Okay. It has also many seeds inside it. Next, papaya. Do you like papaya? Yes. We like papaya. Yes, very good. Papaya also has many seeds inside it. Okay, Nana? Means fruits have seeds inside them. Okay, Nana? Very good. Do you know one more thing, Nana? Plants give us seeds also. Yes or no? Very good. We are eating that seeds also. Do you know rice? We eat rice seed. Yes or no? Yes. As well as we eat wheat seeds, chana seeds, sweet corn. They are all seeds. Okay. That plants give us seeds to eat. Okay. See here, Nana. So seeds are of different kinds. Okay. This is rajma seed. We eat this. And rice. Every day we are eating, na? Yes. This is rice seed. Next, pea. Vegetable. Very good. Next, wheat. Wheat seed. Wheat seed. We'll make chapati and puri also with it. Yes or no? Yes. Next, chana fruit. Chana seed. Next, sweet corn. We like it, na? Yes. Very good. Means plants also give us seeds. They are also in different kinds. Okay, Nana? Next. Now, let's try to learn how seed is growing into a baby plant. Okay, Nana? Very good. How is it possible? Okay, first of all, do you know one thing, ma? Seed. A seed has a baby plant inside it. How is it possible? Yes, it is possible, Nana. If you, for example, if you put any seed in soil, if you put any seed in a soil and water it every day, then after few days you can see a baby plant. You can see a baby plant. It means seed has a baby plant inside it. If seed gets enough air, water and sunlight, then baby plant comes out. Okay. See here, Nana, page number 130. Seed. If we put seed in a soil, then water it daily. After some days, a baby plant comes out. How? Because it will take this air, water and sunlight. With the help of these things, it will make its own food and it grows into a plant. Got my point? Very good. It means a seed has baby plant inside it. Okay? Very good. This is about the world of plants, Nana. Okay. And one more thing, Nana. Please don't cut trees. Plant more plants. Okay? Very good. Here, we have some work to do, Nana. Let us see page number 131. This page, Nana. Okay? Let us discuss a bit. Okay? First one, Nana. Sorry, a bit. Tick the correct answers. First one. A dash is a dash. Option A, big plant. Option B, small plant. Option C, climber. Is this climber? Climber needs support. But here no support, Nana. So this is a big plant. Very good. Option A is correct answer. Number 2. A papaya has dash. Option A, many seeds. Option B, 2 seeds. Option C, 1 seed. Have you seen our papaya fruit? If you cut and see the papaya fruit, then you can see, yes, many seeds. Okay? So option A is correct, Nana. Many seeds. Number 3. Chana is a dash. A, leaf, seed, flower. Option C, flower. Chana is leaf? No. If it is leaf, it is in green color. No. Is it flower? No. So, chana is a seed. Very good. So, option B is correct answer, Nana. Next, let us discuss B bit. Okay, ma? Match the columns. Option A, neem. Neem is climber. Neem is a climber. No. Thorns. Oh my God. Neem plant has thorns? No. So, it is a tree. Very good. Number 1, match to C. Number 2, bean. Bean needs support to stand straight. So, it is a climber. Very good. So, 2, match to A. Okay. Number 3, cactus. We have learned cactus has a thorns. Cactus has a thorns. So, don't touch that. Okay, Nana? So, cactus. Match to B, ma. Okay. Next, let us discuss C bit. Write T for true or F for false, ma. First one. Trees don't need support to stand. Excuse me. If you observe neem tree, mango tree, coconut tree, are they need support? No. So, trees don't need support to stand. Okay. So, it is true. Number 2, ma. All plants have big leaves. All plants have big leaves. If you observe tulsi plant, it has big leaves or small leaves? Yes, small leaves. So, it is false. All plants have big leaves. That is false. Number 3, Nana. A rose plant has thorns. Rose plant. Observe once. Okay. Rose plant has thorns or no? Yes, it has thorns. So, that is true, Nana. Number 4. A mango has no seed. If you eat mango, then you will observe. Okay. Mango has no seed. Yes, mango has many seeds. Wrong. Yes, mango has only one seed. Very good. So, this is false. Okay. Okay. Very good, Nana. This is about the world of plants lesson, Nana. Hope you understood this lesson, ma. After watching the video, read lesson compulsory. Must and should. Okay, Nana? If you read this lesson, then only you can understand properly. Okay, ma? Very good. Don't go outside, Nana. Be careful. Okay? Thank you, parents. Thank you, lovely man. Stay home. Stay safe.